Today, we will talk about understanding call options. Call options allow the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to purchase an asset at a specified price within a specific period. A call buyer profits when the underlying asset increases in price. Options are essentially a bet between two investors, one believing the price of an asset will go down, and the other thinking it will rise. The contract is a choice to buy the asset at a specific price by a certain date. The price is called the strike price, and you pay a fee to purchase a call option, called the premium. The call option buyer may hold the contract until the expiration date, execute the contract and take delivery of the underlying asset, or sell the options contract at any point before the expiration date. A long call option allows the buyer to plan ahead to purchase a stock at a cheaper price. The maximum losses the buyer can incur are limited to the premiums paid for the option. In a short call option, the seller promises to sell their shares at a fixed strike price in the future. Short call options are mainly used for covered calls or call options in which the seller already owns the underlying stock for their options. There are three key variables to consider when evaluating call options: strike price, expiration date, and premium. Payoffs for call option sellers are calculated based on the same principles as those for buyers. Call options often serve three primary purposes: income generation, speculation, and tax management. Here are four key takeaways. 1. A call is an option contract giving the owner the right, but not the obligation, to buy an underlying security at a specific price within a specified time. 2. You pay a fee to purchase a call option, called the premium. This per share charge is the maximum you can lose on a call option. 3. Call options may be purchased for speculation or sold for income purposes or tax management. 4. Call options may also be combined for use in spread or combination strategies. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.